Communication is something many people take for granted in their everyday lives. However, it can be especially challenging for people with severe disabilities. In Canada, more than 440,000 people have significant speech, language, and communication disabilities. While there exist a number of communication aids aimed at supplementing or replacing speech and writing for those with impairments, there lacks an effective access method for individuals with limited speech and mobility. Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, are systems that allow users to control an application or device using their mind. Because BCIs rely only on brain activity and not on physical movements to operate, it is an ideal access method for people with severe disabilities. Mindset is a BCI access solution designed for children with severe disabilities. It is available as a Windows app that decodes brain signals in real time and converts them into commands used to control other applications. Depending on the application, you can use Mindset for a variety of tasks, from spelling out words and sentences with communication apps to playing computer games that take multiple inputs. Mindset works by detecting a special type of brain response called the P300. Essentially, your brain generates an aha response when you see something interesting, like a flashing button. This response looks like a positive deflection in your brain signal that happens automatically about 300 milliseconds after the event. That is why this brain response is called the P300 response. Putting it together, your brain activity looks different in response to a flashing button versus a button that isn't flashing. Because of this, we can decode your brain activity to find out which button you're looking at. Let's take a closer look at how Mindset works. First, the user puts on an EEG headset that measures your electrical brain signals and connects it to Mindset. Then, we can visualize what their brain signals look like and check that we have good contact quality. Next, we can train a BCI model to decode our brain activity. Here, we are teaching Mindset what your brain activity looks like when the button you're looking at is flashing versus when it's not. Finally, we can use the BCI to decode your brain activity and control other applications in real time. Here is an example of Mindset being used for communication. Mindset detects buttons in this communication interface and flashes them in a random pattern. To select a button, the user just needs to look at the button they want and focus on it. Communicating with your mind has never been easier.
Hello.
There are many more applications for brain-computer interface technology. For example, here we see a user playing a computer game using Mindset. With Mindset, we can finally give a voice to people with disabilities and allow them to interact with the environment. By providing them with a novel access method, Mindset truly maximizes the possibilities for individuals with disabilities.